Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as usual, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, John. Good morning, Gina. Thank you, Gina. Yeah, the trimmed bushes look good, Gina says. Yes, they did it yesterday. This tree just grows so fast. I love it. I love watching how it grows. Anyway, it is time for us to start. And today we will work on balancing the heart chakra. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Rooting down into the earth, lengthening your spine towards the sky. Gently scan your body and notice what's going on for you today. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? Your breath nice and easy. Don't try to control it. Simply notice how your breath flows in and out. Connect with your heart chakra right at the center of your breastbone. You may imagine it as a sphere of green light emanating energy from within you and into the world, further and further out, as far as you can feel. The Sanskrit name of this chakra, Anahata, can be translated as unstruck, which is related to our heartbeat, this unbroken rhythm for as long as we live. So stay connected with this powerful, healing energy as you reflect on the situations that made you feel heartbroken. But this continuous rhythm of your heartbeat brought you back to life, to feel joy, love, and hope again. Through this reflection, settle into your social identity. Remember that you're always allowed to love and be loved, no matter how many heartbreaks you go through during your life. Claim this birthright that counteracts all the grief you may have experienced, and still will. In the endocrine system, the heart chakra corresponds to thymus, the small gland in the lymphatic system that makes and trains our special white blood cells called T cells, helping our immune system fight disease and infection. So visualize now how your thymus, located right behind the top of your breastbone, is getting all the nourishment and support that it needs. Feeling your connection with the air element associated with the heart chakra nourishing your thymus, remembering your right to love and be loved. Repeat the following affirmations after me, mentally or out loud. I am worthy of love. I am loving to myself and others. There is an infinite supply of love for all of us. I am lovable. I live in harmony with myself and the world. Now imagine your heart chakra as a beautiful flower of green color. We're going to repeat the Bija mantra for the heart chakra, Yam, Y-A-M, Yam, 7 times. With each repetition, see this beautiful flower opening its petals more and more, dissolving all the grief you have accumulated over the years of your life, taking in love. Yum, 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 yum. Stay in the space of awareness that you created through this practice. Enjoy it. And from the space, ask yourself, what is it that I long for the most right now? Receive your answer in the form of words, images, sensations. What is it that I long for the most right now? As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice when you start feeling unlovable, unworthy of love, out of sync with yourself and the world. And in these moments, remind yourself, I am here. I have the right to love and be loved. All is well in my world. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.